How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can make a click counter, spam counter into your monthly dash. So first things first, you want to add the amount of which you want your counter to be in. In my case, it's going to be 15 clicks. Let's click on OK. And just to make it better, I'm going to add this dash right here. Now let's head over to our counters and let's add this 0 icon and put it this way. And then of course from here you could just align them together. So in my case, it's going to be this one. From there, you want to select the 0, click edit special, and then you could just make sure that the item ID one is selective. So let's click on OK. From there, let's then look at our pickup trigger. Click on edit object. Enable the spawn trigger, click multi-trigger, and from here you want to target the item ID number 1 and count 1. So click on OK, once again click on deselect, and then basically let's head back to the 0, click edit group, and then you could just add this to a group or a free group. Let's then add our spikes. Now in my case it's going to be something like this one, but of course you could just customize this the way you want to. And then, of course, let's then group this into a group 2. From there, head over to the count trigger once again. Let's head over to the count trigger. Let's add it outside of our level. Click edit object. And for this one, it's going to target the number, which is going to be right here. Now, in our case, it's going to be group 1. The target count is according to your preference. In my case, it's going to be 15. And for the target ID, you then want to set this to the spike right here. So in my case, it's going to be 2. Click on OK. And for the last trigger that we are going to use, it's going to be the touch trigger. Once again, just click on edit object. You want to target the 0. And then click on toggle on. And then that's going to be it. So let's just go ahead and do some final checkups. We have spawn trigger, multi-trigger. With this one, we have the item ID, count 1. For the second trigger, we have this option right here. The first one is going to be the 0. Second one is the spike. And lastly, I forgot, you want to group the pickup trigger into group number 1. And basically, if we hit on the play button, it should go ahead and look something like this. Now, it's a little bit hard, so I'll just go ahead and move this spikes back a bit. So let's go ahead and maybe do it this way. And if we press our buttons right here successfully, we can then go ahead and see that the spikes will then get removed. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.